कॉन्सेप्ट मेकिंग क्लासेस में आपका फिर से स्वागत है, जहां पर आप सीखते हैं अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स को क्लियर करके। जब तक आपका कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं होगा किसी टॉपिक के बारे में, तब तक आप नहीं सीख सकते। सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ न्यू टॉपिक एंड इट्स नेम इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल। आज क्वाड्रिलेटरल को हम इतने अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे कि क्या नाम है, हमारे सारे के सारे जो टॉपिक्स हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल से रिलेटेड वो हमारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे। एंड द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज़ दैट वी हैव टू बिकम हीरो फ्रॉम जीरो। हमारा जो मेन थीम होता है, मेरा जो हमेशा रहा है कि बच्चों को जीरो से हीरो बनाना है। सो आज की क्लास के बाद अगर आप क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में अगर सोचेंगे तो आपका कॉन्सेप्ट एक बड़ा ही मेच्योर कॉन्सेप्ट होगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के टॉपिक के बारे में। आज के टॉपिक का नाम भी क्या है? क्वाड्रिलेटरल। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल का मीनिंग क्या होता है? क्वाड मीन्स होता है फोर। क्वाड मीन्स क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्वाड? क्वाड मीन्स फोर। And now we will talk about what is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral एक्चुअली क्या होता है? एक ऐसी शेप होती है, इट्स अ शेप, ओके, दैट इज कवर्ड बाय फोर साइड्स। जिसमें कितनी साइड्स होती हैं? फोर साइड्स होती हैं। ओके, तो सबसे पहले अगर हम लोग इसको जाने तो पहले हम थोड़ा बेसिक से बात करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक अबाउट द बेसिक्स। Suppose you have 4 points. You have 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have 4 points and if all these points are in a same line, can you find any shape here? No. We will not find any shape. We will get a line segment. Okay? But suppose out of these 4 points, if only 3 points are on one line and 1 point is anywhere else. So what we can do, if we will join all the 4 points like that, we can find a triangle. But suppose all these 4 points are non-collinear. Collinear means in a same line, that is collinear, Colllinear, that is collinear. But I am saying non-collinear. Non-collinear means when all these points are not in same line. So हमें क्या फाइंड आउट मिलेगा? हम लोगों को मिलेगा if these points are somewhere else, we don't know where are these. If we will join them, what we will get? We will get a shape. हमें क्या मिलेगी? एक शेप मिलेगी। एंड इसी शेप को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल। डू यू गेट माई पॉइंट? इफ वी हैव 4 पॉइंट्स एंड दे आर नॉन कोलिनियर, if we will join all these points, what we will get? We will get a quadrilateral. So हमारा एक टॉपिक है जो वो यही है, quadrilateral. So in this video we are going to learn about it. Let's move. So if we will discuss about the definition, what is a quadrilateral? We can simply say a quadrilateral is a shape which has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Vertices का मतलब होता है, vertices means corners. If suppose I will draw a figure here, okay, suppose I will draw like that. It can be bigger, it can be smaller, okay, we can do anything. So we can say here this shape has 4 sides, number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. It has 4 angles, we can say this is the angle, okay, and 4 vertices. Vertices means 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now my dear children, I hope you have understood that what is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a shape which has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Okay, so let's move to the different types of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be like that. 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 Okay, so what is the basic thing about a quadrilateral? The thing is that it will have four sides, it will have four angles, and it will have four vertices. So let us discuss about the different types of quadrilaterals. Now see, you can see the different shapes. Okay, here also we have four sides, four angles, and four vertices. Here also, here also, here also, and here also. You can find all these three conditions. My dear children, if you will look around you, you can find there are so many things which are quadrilateral in shape, like the door, like the table, like the TV, laptop, mobile phone, geometry box. So many things are there which are quadrilateral in shape. Okay, so now we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, so let us discuss about them. So number one is parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallel means, now its name is telling us parallel. Parallel. First of all, we should understand the meaning of the word parallel. 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 Parallel means whenever we have two sides, any two lines which will never meet each other, which will never meet each other if we will produce them in any direction. अगर हम इनको किसी भी डायरेक्शन में बढ़ाएंगे, इंक्रीज करेंगे, तो वो कभी नहीं मिलेंगी. लाइक यू कैन इमेजिन द रेलवे ट्रैक. आप रेलवे ट्रैक को भी देख सकते हैं. द ट्रैक्स विल नेवर मीट ईच अदर. वी नो दैट माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, if they will meet each other, that means the train can fall down. Yes or no? So parallelogram में भी यही करेंगे. पैरेलल का मीनिंग समझ गए हैं आप कि क्या नाम है? जब कोई भी दो लाइन एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करती. इफ टू लाइन्स विल नॉट कट इच अदर, दैट मीन्स ये क्या हो जाएगी? पैरेलल हो जाएंगी. सो नाउ लेट अस check the definition. What is parallelogram? When both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Both pairs, that means if you will see the upper line and the lower line, if you will just increase in any direction, they will not meet. Okay, and second pair is that left line and the right line. If you will just increase them in any direction, here also they will not meet. Okay, so my dear children, here I want to say that if both pairs, right left and top and bottom, if these lines are parallel, both the pairs are parallel, that means this is called a parallelogram. This is called a parallelogram. Okay, next one is trapezium. Trapezium भी क्या होता है? Quadrilateral होता है. Okay, it is also a quadrilateral. Okay, but what is the main thing that we can say yes, this is trapezium, this is not anything else? So let us find. See, when only one pair of opposite side is parallel. Okay, here the main thing is that only one pair will be parallel. In parallelogram, both pairs were parallel, but in trapezium, only one pair. One pair means, that means we can see here this line and this line. These lines will not meet each other. But see, here you can see, if you will just increase this line in this direction and this line in this direction, automatically at some point they will cut each other. So we can say these are not parallel. Okay, so out of these four lines, two lines will not meet, but two lines will meet. So we can say only one pair is parallel. So its name will be trapezium. क्या होता है ये? ट्रेपेजियम होता है. ठीक है. सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज टू टाइप्स. नंबर वन पैरेललोग्राम एंड नंबर टू इज ट्रेपेजियम. थर्ड वन इज रोम्बस. रोम्बस का बड़ा इजी फंडा है. एक्चुअली रोम्बस एंड पैरेललोग्राम बोथ आर सेम थिंग in the way, like I will tell you. See, in parallelograms also, both the pairs, opposite pairs were parallel. In rhombus also, both the pairs of the opposite sides will be parallel. Okay, but in rhombus, what is the main thing? Here we have to understand one thing, my dear children, that when both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal, this is the most important thing, my dear children. When all the lines are equal, all the sides, actually whenever we are using the word line and side, you have to just keep in your mind, okay, to make your concept a little bit easier. Okay, so when all the sides of the quadrilateral are equal and parallel, that is called as rhombus. Okay, here the angle can be less than 90 degree. Okay, and any of the angle is of 90 degree, then the rhombus will become a square. ठीक है, देखिए इसमें क्या कहा है मैंने, हियर इफ एनी एंगल इज लेस देन 90 डिग्री, अगर हमारा जो एंगल है लेस देन 90 डिग्री है, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ रोम्बस, सपोज आप इसको क्लिक करके देखते हैं, यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर डिस्कस करते हैं बेटा, तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा। सपोज मैंने एक ये ड्रॉ किया, सी हियर यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो ऑल द लाइन्स आर इक्वल, here also all the lines are equal, and you can see this line and this line both are parallel, this line and this line, these line are also parallel. So and yes, we can see, sir, this is all the four lines are same, equal. So what we will call it? This is also a rhombus, but we can say one more thing, sir, but now here we can say, sir, here the angle is of 90 degree, the 90 degree angle is there, so we will call it a square, So my dear children, there is a difference between rhombus and square, and the difference is that when any one angle is of 90 degree, that will become a square, and if any angle is less than 90 degree, it will become a rhombus. Okay, now here you can see about the square, when all the sides are equal and all the angles are of 90 degree, so that will be called as a square, that is called as a square, उसको हम square बोलते हैं, clear है। So here the main thing is that angle is of 90 degree, we will call it a square, but if the angle is not 90 degree, it is less than 90 degree, we will call it a rhombus. But my dear children, here also you can see this pair is parallel to each other, this pair is also parallel. Okay, so whenever both the pairs are parallel, what do we call it? We will call it a parallelogram, So if we will look at it, square is also a parallelogram. In rhombus also both the pairs were parallel, so it is also a parallelogram. Square is also a parallelogram. Now next one is, the last one is the rectangle. Now my dear children, the main thing about the square and rectangle is that I told you when all the sides are equal, that is square. But what will happen if I will increase the side, the length of any side in any direction, it will become a rectangle. I can make the rectangle like that also, it is also a rectangle. Okay, it is also a rectangle. Okay, so my dear children, what is the meaning of rectangle? Rectangle is also a quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. These are parallel, so rectangle is also a parallelogram. But only one thing is there, if the length and the breadth are different, it will become a rectangle. If length and breadth both are same, it will become a square. I hope you have understood till now. Okay, सो आपका जो बेसिक है यहाँ तक क्लियर हो जाएगा बेटा। यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ लिखी है। इफ़ यू विल थिंक अबाउट इट, पैरेललोग्राम, पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है? एक्चुअली इट्स अ मास्टर क्वाड्रिलेटरल। Why I am saying it master? Because many of its rule will applicable on rhombus, square and rectangle. It will not be applicable on trapezium because in trapezium only one pair is parallel. Okay, so my dear children, if we will talk about the area of parallelogram, actually area of parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Now you will ask me, sir, how will we find base and height? So my dear children, it's very easy. It's very easy. Suppose you are drawing a parallelogram like that. So this is the base and this is the height. This is the height. Okay, so we can say that the area of a parallelogram we can find out by multiplying its base and its height. So that means this rule is applicable on rhombus also, this rule is applicable on square also, this rule is applicable on rectangle also. Okay, now let's find out how. Suppose we have a rhombus. We have a rhombus where all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So here also this will become the base and this will become the height. Okay, so we can say base into height, that is the area of rhombus. If we will talk about the square, here also we will use the same to same quality. Now suppose this is the base, this is the base, and now this will become the height. Okay, so here also we can say base into height. But my dear children, we know that in a square all the sides are equal. So we can say, sir, base is also same and height is also same, and both are the sides of the square. So we can say side into side. And if we will talk about the rectangle, in rectangle also we will use the same rule, base into height. So what is the base here? This is the base and this is the height. So here also we can say that the area of the rectangle is base into height, and here we call that the longer side is called length and the shorter side is called the breadth or width. Okay, so we can say the area of rectangle is length into breadth. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी और आपका एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा। आप प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच, आपने अपना टाइम दिया। थैंक यू सो मच।